Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to add the new ChatGPT-5 model to Azure AI using Azure AI Foundry. So let's get started. Okay, so you've got to log into your account. Then on the left hand side you see deployment. You need to click that. Then you select deploy model, and then on the list you will see that the ChatGPT-5, it has a lock there. So you got to send a request to get Microsoft to accept your request. So you just got to fill out this form, put in your contact details and your subscribe ID. Just pretty straightforward. You'll receive a thank you for your interest email. So it'll come from Cognitive Services Gating Support. Now you also receive another email to verify your email address. So just click on the blue button, and once it's approved you'll receive an onboarding email just like this. Request has been approved. Should be on the list now, so click on deploy model, deploy base model, and you'll be able to see GPT-5 on the list. Here we go. There's also the Nano, the Chat, the 3.0 Pro, all those other newer ones will be on the list. Just confirm that. Capacity 250 tokens per minute. That's quite a lot. Customize, create resource and deploy. Okay, global standard. You can customize this if you wanted to. So just say if I'm gonna pick, oh, that one has no quota, so you can't pick those ones. The only one that's available is Eastern US 2. Can decrease it. The tokens per minute rate limit, like I wouldn't need more than 1,000 maybe. Yeah, that should be enough. Just create resource and deploy. So now it's just going to create the resource. So this might taking a while. I mean, it's probably a lot of people trying to access this newer model. Go, it just created that. So the endpoint that you can use is the details here, and you can just go ahead and start using that. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.